Okay guys, so we just got our lava resin there inside the microwave. Just going to give it another 30 seconds boost up so we can get this to rapidly exotherm, and then we can create this other color of lava. Yeah, that looks like she's just about to exotherm now. Yeah guys, we're just making up a different red. This is like a ruby pearl red. And once again, I'm going to exotherm this one as well. Pretty windy day down here in Christchurch. So if you're looking to do weird and wonderful stuff, or you just want to try stuff out, or you want us to try stuff out, let us know what you want us to do in the comments below, and we can do some really funky stuff. Thing of smoke. Rightio. $81.4. Oh look, see there guys, look at it, she's starting to smoke away now. $92. Keep giving that a stir. We're making lava guys. Lava at Resinzwood.
It's going off mate.
Going off, he's poured out the pin. You want to fill it up with cold water for me?
Yeah.
Cold water taps just over there on the side of the house. She is smoking, oh my god. Check this shit out. She's bubbling away there guys. And if you just drop the bucket into there. Yeah. Boom! Yeah baby, cooking on gas. Stab this up a bit. Oh yeah, just like Rotorua. Exothermic epoxy. And I'll tell you, this shit's hot. More beautiful colours in there. So what we're going to do now, going to dump it in our container over here with some orange and reds and very sharp. Now we'll put that into our container of other colours we got here. And other types of orange. So there you have it guys, that's how you make epoxy lava. Thanks for watching these videos. Please like, share and comment below, and let us know if there's any other cool things you want us to try, and we're more than happy to do it. right here at Resinzwood, Resinwood Tables NZ, and the Passion Art Couple.